Guys, we got the teewing out. Kind of scared because I ain't ride this in a while. It feel weird, bro. Like, it feels super weird riding on this. And my back wheel feel weird as hell, bro. Because I'm too used to riding a bike. I forgot neighborhoods got honks. Yeah, riding on this thing is like scary to me. I don't know why. Give me that vibe of like, I don't know if you guys watched Too Fast Too Furious, the first one, when Vin Diesel was scared to ride that I think it was the SS. I think it was. I thought that was Great Smoke. But yeah. Until I get it fixed, I gotta like change the brakes. A lot of stuff I gotta do to this thing. This thing. I gotta get new wheels. I'm only using it because it's the only backup thing I have. Oh, this neighborhood. Okay, good. But yeah, this thing's scary to me. It's too scary. I don't know, maybe I got hit like 3 times. Well, pretty much, I guess. So Walmart did not have the type of tools I'm going to, but I'm going to this bike thing. I think I'm going the wrong way. Is I'm going around? Yeah, I am going the wrong way. Guys gonna go? Not, maybe. Oh my God, bro. Do you see this? That be scaring me, bro. I swear. It be scaring me. it be scaring me. I don't know, bro. Like these little neighborhoods. I'm turning or no? I guess I am. Gotta wait. Yeah. Going to this bike thing. Scary, bro. Riding on this, scary. It's not even about the scooter. It's the cars here, bro. Florida. Oh. Trying to figure out. Minutes away. No, 3 minutes away now. I had to go over here with the bike one time, actually. I know where we at. I think the bike is that way or that way.